Hi, my name is Kat. I'm here on the Soul Sister channel with your weekly astrological forecast for Sunday, May the 9th to Saturday, May 15th. Let's get started with our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness leaving our bodies and being replaced by this beautiful white light that fills our entire body and then goes out and creates a protective bubble of white light around our physical etheric bodies. This bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to its source. What a great way to start the week. Happy Mother's Day to all of us physical mothers and to all of us, because we're all spiritual mothers. We're all caring for and nurturing this physical vessel we find ourselves in this lifetime. So today is a good day to honor our physical mothers and the part of ourselves that is nurturing, compassionate, and loving. So, happy Mother's Day to everyone today. Oh my goodness, hallelujah. We're coming out of the darkness a little bit. It's been so heavy lately. All this personal work, digging up our issues, making us address them, heal them, transform them. Oh, it's exhausting. Universe has a little gift. We're going to lift the energy a little bit this week. I am so excited to tell you today, Sunday, we're going to start with, although I do want to mention, we do have the Saturn. We have that Saturn in Aquarius squaring. Let me get it. Here it is. Saturn in Aquarius squaring that Uranus in Taurus. This is our energy of the entire year. It's the birth of the age of Aquarius as the new innovative ways, the new technology is in conflict with the old traditional status quo. This energy hangs over us all of this year. It's going to be in conflict because it's a square. So it's a whole year of conflict between the old versus the new. We also are now in a Pluto retrograde that is going to be going. This energy moves all the way through October, and it's all about unresolved, unfinished, unbalanced, unstable relationship situations in our lives. All of that is being dug up for us by Pluto so that it can be healed, transformed, or released. Pluto is going to help us. So if we don't do our work, Pluto will do it for us by either completely destroying something or we will be stuck in it. So it is really heavy energy. So that's why I'm so excited. I'm so excited on this Mother's Day because the first wonderful news, late last night, Venus moved into Gemini. So this brings us, we've been working on problems and we've been working on situations in our relationships or maybe in our job or working with the group. This Venus in Gemini gives us the energy of harmonious communication, of balance, of compromise, of being able to communicate our thoughts and feelings with the other in a healthy, balanced way. So we have this energy now that we can communicate with each other, whether that is a personal or group relationship, so that we can try to work out whatever that issue is. Seems to be more give on intake on either side. So that is the first good news of the week. Also, what is really cool is we have the moon, Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune are all in their ruling planets. And what this means is all of that energy, again, is going to be uplifting this heavy Plutonian energy and this heavy energy of Saturn square Uranus. So we're getting all kinds of assistance this week. It's so wonderful. Now, I do have to tell you that today the moon is void of course from 3:50 p.m. until 4:45 p.m. It's a short space. This is Eastern Daylight Time, and the void of course, or during that period of 3:50 to 4:45 p.m., do not be signing any contracts or initiating anything because there's no energy to carry that forward. So the possibility of success for whatever we're beginning during that time goes down. So if you don't have to sign anything or begin anything today between 3:50 and 4:45 Eastern Daylight Time, you don't do it if you don't have to. And then this afternoon, the moon goes into Taurus. So we have this harmonious with Venus into Gemini, and now the moon goes into Taurus for a couple of days, bringing us back to this energy of stability and groundedness and security. It's a good day to talk, a good time in the next couple of days to talk to our financial planner or to our partner, or work on stabilizing our finances or getting a financial strategy. It's also a great day. I mean, we still have the sun in Taurus, and now with the moon, it's a great time to listen to new music and good music. It's a good time to try out a new recipe or enjoy good food. It's just not such a good time to try new things. So there is a little conflict with the old versus the new, but we see it, and it's not that big of a deal. So on Tuesday is also even more assistance. We have the new moon, which is, like I said yesterday, in Taurus. Very harmonious energy, a good day. It's a physical energy. It's a good day to begin anew on some, I'm going to say, health issues that maybe we want to be. Remember, we got Mother's Day. We're being nurturing to our physical vessel. And today, on Tuesday, it's a good day to make a new resolution to be more accountable for our physical selves, whatever that means. Maybe it's going to the doctor and getting a physical, or getting something checked out that we're just not paying attention. Maybe it's making our diet a little bit more healthier and more balanced. Maybe it's getting the rest we need, or doing something not to be so stressed all the time. It's a good day to start on new energy for a new beginning for those kind of things. We move into Wednesday, then the moon goes into Gemini, so it becomes a little bit more scattered with the moon in Taurus. We're very grounded. We don't want to change. You just want to stick with what we have. And now Wednesday and Thursday, the energy will get a little bit more restless, a little bit more scattered. It's a good day on Wednesday. We have the sun in Taurus sextiling Neptune in Pisces. It's a good day. It's going to be a little bit dreamy. Another good day to see a good movie, but it's also a perfect day to work on that relationship with our higher self. So if we haven't been doing the work, if we haven't been checking in with our higher self routinely, we need to maybe take a look at that today and see what we can do to help bring more harmony and balance to our relationship with ourselves, with our higher self. Great day to do that. Then Thursday, even more good news. Can you believe it? This is so wonderful. Jupiter moves into Pisces. It is joining Neptune in Pisces. Both of these planets rule Pisces. What a great team working together, again, bringing more spirituality to the outer world. So it's about bringing more spirituality to our physical work, to our relationships. We see things when the spiritual realm, when I say spiritual, we're able to see the bigger picture and how what I do affects everyone else. We tend to take in everyone else when we're making our decisions, not so selfish and all about me. It's also being giving and open-hearted. It's a great energy, and Jupiter is going to be in Pisces until July 28th. So it is another wonderful energy. This week, we are becoming more spiritual, getting more in touch with the spiritual side of ourselves. We need to have a good, healthy relationship with our spiritual selves to help guide us into this new age of Aquarius, where we really can't see what is out there because it's all so new and different. So we have to depend on our relationship with our higher self and trusting that relationship and that guidance to help us see forward. So we want to make sure we work on that. Friday and Saturday of this week, we're going to have the moon going into Cancer. That is the biggest energy shift. And so Friday and Saturday, it's all going to be the feelings of emotional security, the home, family, nurturing. The moon in Cancer is the perfect Mother's Day symbol. It's all about children, the mother, and again, mothering ourselves, nurturing ourselves, our physical, our spiritual, and our emotional bodies. That's mothering too. And staying close to home, not so much about running out and trying anything new. We're cool with staying at home this weekend, hanging out with some close friends and our family, enjoying some good music, maybe some new music we have discovered during this Taurian energy, and just having good food, good wine, and hanging out and being all comfy and cozy. So that's our week ahead. I'm so glad I finally have positive information, positive energy for us to work with. It's been so heavy. I was like, oh my gosh, are we ever going to get a break, right? All right, spirit guides, what do you have? What do the spirit guides, what is their contribution to the week of this May 9th to May 15th astrological week? Our forecast, what is going on? Let us know now, please. Okay. Awakening the call. The time is now. Cleansing waters. Purification. Wandering path. Enjoy the journey. Okay, Spirit Guide has talking to some of us saying, hey guys, the time is now, wake up. You know, the energy has lifted enough. You can now work on that resolution with your partner, with the group. You're going to get to a resolution. Everyone's a little bit more compatible and congenial, and everyone is more interested in working together to make a solution that works for all of us and doesn't compromise any of us. So wake up, the time is now. We've been sitting and stewing, get it done. Cleansing waters, just like I said, with this new moon in Taurus, it's a great time for a new commitment to this physical body, this wonderful vessel that we've been given to travel with on this lifetime journey, making sure we're caring for it the best that we can. And just enjoy this week. I mean, there's so much wonderful energy as far as good music, good food. It's all about our sensual selves this week. Just really feeling in touch with the earth, with all our senses, you know, just smelling and seeing and tasting and hearing, just really enjoying what the earth has to offer this week. So what a great What a great thing to be able to say if there's a better week ahead. So please, if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Please come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages and I do some cute memes too. And remember always that life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. Namaste.